So it's summertime at Jericho Nursery and it's hot, hot, hot. We're all hydrating. You can see we're hydrating our plants. These are new products that we've just got in. We're not laying off our cashier or making her work in the paint department. We're still here as the authority of your garden center. We have the answers. We're going to talk a little about watering because we understand the importance of your time. The value of your time would require us to give you a bit of an education. So we're going to give you the NHD story. We're going to talk about drip systems and how they work and how they should work, what most people know and what most people don't know. We're standing in the shade against these trees that we've got on sale for $129. These came in today, literally today. Look at these plums, these Bubba desert willow. So we're still bringing in new merchandise. We're not getting rid of old stuff. We're not trying to dump. We're not trying to get out. We're trying to remind you that we are bringing fresh product in. You just saw the pan of the new lavender, Spanish broom, potentilla, Russian sage, all the brand new roses. Go to the sale page and see what's on sale, but understand we're still here to answer your questions, provide you with the quality plants you're looking for. We stand for quality, selection, service, and knowledge. Okay, so you saw the video earlier outside. We came in the bedding house to talk about the watering and the drip system in HD. A little reminder, I hope she's watching because I can't remember her name and I've asked my staff and they don't remember either. I know you're part of the loyalties program. Hopefully you can check our email. I got Mr. Lincoln roses in. So if you're out there looking for Mr. Lincoln, I have one held for you at each store. Those roses we just got in will be on sale again. Check the sale page. Brand new roses, guys. Brand new bedding plants. We're still bringing stuff in from local growers every week. 2 or 3 local growers every week. Stuff from California came in, 2 different loads this week. So again, we want to tell you it's not too late, it's not too hot. Yeah, it's hot, but you can still do it. Root stimulator and water. Your hose is your friend. That's how you're going to get by. So here it is. I'm thinking of the Daily Show, your moment of zen. Everybody can answer the first 2 questions, 1 in 100 can answer the third, and then we'll talk about NHD. We want to take some time and educate and train you as to watering and be beneficial because the first question, how often do you water? Second question, how long do you water? Everybody pretty much can answer those questions. The common answer is 20 minutes 3 times a week. The third question is, how big is your dripper? And I start swirling this quart water bottle because the first 2 questions, how often, how long, most people can answer, but nobody knows how big their drippers are, and typical drippers are per hour, gallons per hour. So for easy math, let's assume it's 1 gallon per hour and cut it from 20 minutes to 15. That's a quart of water in 15 minutes. So when I get that through to people, they understand, wow, there's no way that tree could be surviving on 2 quarts, 3 quarts, a mayonnaise jar full of water. So 20 minutes of water on a drip system is almost pointless when it's 100 degrees. The importance is to run for a long period of time. 3 times a week is probably ample water, but you've got to put down at least an hour's worth of water. We recommend as many gallons per hour as the size of the plant. So if it's a 5-gallon shrub like those roses out there, you need 5 gallons of water every time you water. If you're planting new stuff, it's twice a day, 5 gallons. You're not going to overwater. You're not wasting water. You're establishing new plants. Albuquerque Water Authority will give exemptions to when you can water for new plantings and new seeding, so you can just go online and find your exemption if you're trying to do that. But I'm just saying the importance of water right now is all important. Root stimulator on new plantings. You can plant anything anytime here. The other thing that we constantly deal with and get stuck with here is NHD, which stands for no hose disease. Half the problems we deal with this time of year are lack of water. So get out your hose. You're not breaking the rules. You're not draining the aquifer. Really important to the health of your plants to give them good, thorough drinks of water. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope it's been educational. We're going to show off some artsy-fartsy stuff now. So we haven't done a video at Alameda in some time. We've shown off some of the stuff. You've seen the slideshows. Lou's doing a great job trying to present what we're showing you today. I don't know if Bob ever watches my videos, but Bob Dugan and I have teamed up. If you're looking for something Southwest, you're looking for something to give as a gift for people coming in from out of town, you just want to put some Southwest flair in your home, It fits really well. We partnered together. Bob is supplying all of this merchandise. I can't do it justice in the time. It would take me all day. What he used to tell me, and I believe this, it's daunting, it's overwhelming, it's alarming to the senses to come through here. Walk through our shade house, walk through this section. Everywhere you turn, there's a different color, a different texture, and none of this needs the water that we were talking about earlier. So you can put some of this aloe vera in your house, put a plastic pot inside. We've got those plastic pots on sale. Set that inside the aloe vera, cover it with some moss so you're having the length of your aloe vera last forever because the water's not in it. It's in a plastic pot inside. You're using that as a basket. Mexican clay, just as you can see, I'm out of words, and that's hard for me to be, but there's so much here. If you haven't been to the Alameda store, take some time and walk through. The Valley Funk is crazy fun. It's a good time. The staff here is an amazing group of people. Like I said, they didn't go work in a paint department. They didn't get laid off. They're still here to help you make your decisions, talk about what you need. Hope we can help you. I hope this has been entertaining and educational.